Okay, so for this week's video, we've got this one here is a Monkeyfist. It's a paperweight. It's got a metal ball inside. But I'm going to make one a bit bigger with a lawns bowling ball. The reason why I picked one of these is that it's slightly flat on each side, and that means that it will hopefully stay relatively flat. Now the reason what I'm going to do with the bowling ball is make a doorstop for my shed outside. So I'm going to use this 10mm manila rope for outside, and I'm probably going to need at least 12 to 15 meters. I don't really want to take it apart at the end to find out how much I've used, but it's going to be about 15 meters. Right, let's get on with it. Okay, so it may look a bit of a mess at the moment, but what I've got here is part of the Monkeyfist tied. I've got 9 on this side, 8 over the top. I've only got 2 bands at the top there, going this way. Just hold it in. I need to get some more rope. That'll work through as I tighten this up. But what I can do now is fit the weight in, the bowling ball, and then I can start tightening it up. Okay, so there is our finished doorstop, and I'm quite happy with that. It's not particularly going to roll around, and let's just show it in place. Okay, so here's my doorstop being used. I've added a turkshead as the handle. I'm not so sure about it, but we'll see how it goes. Back to normal videos next week, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.